Welcome to J Group Sabhaga, a premium DTCP approved residential layout located near Sadashivapet in the fast growing Sangareddy region, part of the expanding Hyderabad growth corridor. Designed for modern living and smart investment, J Group Sabhaga combines excellent connectivity, strong infrastructure development, and lifestyle amenities, making it an ideal destination for both future homes and long term real estate investment. One of the biggest advantages of this project is its strategic location. Sadashivpet town is just 5 minutes away, providing easy access to daily needs and local markets. The proposed regional ring road is also reachable within 5 minutes, significantly improving connectivity across the Hyderabad metropolitan region. Sangareddy town is within 5 minutes, while Delhi Public School and Rouse International School are also just 5 minutes away, making it convenient for families. Shopping malls and supermarkets are accessible within 5 minutes, and multi-specialty hospitals are located within a short 5 MINUT radius, ensuring excellent healthcare access. For higher education and major institutions, JNTU Sangareddy, Kandi Junction, IIT Hyderabad, Geetam University Rudraram, MNR Medical College, and Candidates International School are all reachable within 10 to 15 minutes. Further connectivity includes Maheshwara Medical College, Pashamilaram SEZTSICC, Isnapur Junction, Muthangi OR Exit Number 3, Pattancheru Bus Stand, ICRISAT ODF, Gaudium International School, and Kollur Exit, all located within 20 to 25 minutes. Hyderabad's major IT hub, the financial district, is accessible within 40 to 45 minutes, making this location highly attractive for future growth. J Group Subhaga is thoughtfully designed with premium infrastructure to create a comfortable and secure living environment. The project is a DTCP approved layout with 100% Vastu compliant planning. A grand entrance arch and elegant entrance arcade welcome residents and visitors. The layout features a compound wall for security, wide blacktop internal roads, and beautifully planned avenue plantation throughout the community. Modern infrastructure includes underground drainage systems, stormwater drainage, tiled pedestrian footpaths, street lights with underground electricity, and water pipelines for every individual plot. I am the dead under cases. In South and Nine Basin and Da, Gajanda, Motor der Meduba, Bottiston Dao der Bea 100. Modern infrastructure includes aid Padai indeed dead dot under stream Padaveti. For families and recreation, the project offers a children's play area, landscape parks, and open community spaces. To enhance lifestyle and natural surroundings, the layout also features Miyawaki forest, creating dense green environments that promote cleaner air and natural beauty. Residents can enjoy a dedicated cultural arena for community gatherings, an Insta-candid zone designed for photography and social media moments, and a peaceful nature reserve area for relaxation. The project also includes Vanita Vanam, a specially designed green space for women, along with a sports arena for outdoor activities and fitness. And additional features include jogging tracks, senior citizen seating areas, rainwater harvesting systems, and CCTV security provisions, ensuring a modern and comfortable lifestyle. J Group Subhaga is more than just a plotted development. It is an opportunity to be part of a rapidly developing growth corridor near Hyderabad, offering the perfect balance of nature, connectivity, and long term investment potential.